you're experiencing lag spikes while playing CS2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help reduce lag and enhance your performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds are sufficient for gaming. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Adjust settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows to improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 3. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card and network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching CS2, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees app system resources and bandwidth, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 5. Adjust network settings. Consider changing your network settings to prioritize gaming traffic. You can do this by enabling quality of service (QoS) on your router or using a gaming VPN to reduce latency and improve connection stability. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy your time in CS2 with reduced lag and better performance.